Hi everyone, welcome to Revailers Wigs and Hair Extensions Limited, and this is our YouTube channel, Revailers Wigs, and I'm Blondie, and I'm just here showing you how I did a watercolour on my client's old 613 full length wig, and how I achieved these two colours from one bottle of Adore Baby Blue. Now as you can see, that's the 613 wig, which I'm just putting in boiling hot water and stirring that through, mixing the colour and giving it a dip. And then now I move on to getting to the bottom, and on the bottom I'm just basically getting it more saturated, more darker, what's the darker tone to it, so it had that two-tone going on. And that's how you can see the water. One thing you can notice when you do the watercolour, the water starts getting lighter and lighter when it saturates the hair. Now I'm just rinsing out with cold water and giving it a conditioning treatment and just rubbing that through and just making the conditioner, another conditioner as well, again maybe about 2 or 3 times. I like to use my conditioner. And now I'm on the blow drying on cool hair. I'm just giving that a good thorough blow dry because I was going to just basically start that. I think I actually used heated rollers to start this. Yes, it was my heated rollers I used, my BaBylissPRO heated rollers, but I wasn't exactly happy with the style, so I restarted it again, which you can see here, but I'm restarting it again because I decided I wanted to do a half pony. Well, and then decided that no, I'm not doing a half pony, I'm going to do it in a full lace pony. And then I'm just giving you some baby hair time. It's a lot of people into their baby hair. I'm not a big fan of it so much. I think it's more for younger people, but certain styles, yes, needs baby hair. Here now I'm just taking some hair out and just wrap that around the actual part where I put the bubble in. And this is the end result. What do you think? From old to new, a complete revamped wig. That's our website, www.bolw.co.uk. And as you can see, our Revailers channels come up, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And I hope you all enjoyed my showing you how to do the watercolor. Bye.